In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email on Beehiiv in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to Beehiiv, mastering the art of sending a test email ensures that your communication is polished and error-free before reaching your audience. So, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Beehiiv homepage. If you're unfamiliar with Beehiiv, it's a simple yet powerful platform that helps you craft and send out emails efficiently. Now, once you're on the Beehiiv site, look for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Next, you'll want to sign in using Google. Beehiiv offers a convenient option to sign in with your Google account. This adds an extra layer of security while also making the process seamless and quick. Simply click on Sign in with Google and follow any prompts if necessary to authorize access to your account. Once logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard and locate the section labeled Posts. Clicking this will bring up a list of your current email drafts and previously published content. If you're following along with a new post, it will be in the Drafts section. Choose the draft post you wish to send as a test email. It's important to ensure you've added all your content and formatting before proceeding, as this test email will be a preview of how your final communication will appear. Now look towards the right side of your selected post. You'll see 3 dots, a common symbol indicating additional options may be available. Click on these 3 dots and you will be given the option to edit your drafted post. Selecting Edit will open the post in a new interface where further adjustments can be made. In this editing view, look towards the top right corner where you'll find a drop-down menu labelled Preview. Click on it and you'll see various options that allow you to view the post in different formats. Here, the option we're interested in is Send Test Email. First, ensure the box is checked for this option. Finally, go ahead and click on Send Test Email. Beehiiv will prompt you to input the email address you'd like to send the test to. This step is crucial as it allows you to ensure the look and feel of your email are exactly as intended before it's sent out to your entire list. Sending a test email can reveal any hidden issues with formatting, links, or other details you might want to adjust. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can confidently ensure your emails are ready for your audience. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.